Hello all, welcome back to Dev Sir's Mathemagic. Today again one more lecture on vectors. Vectors is a big topic, so we need to take a few lectures for CET. दो तीन already लिए हैं मैंने lectures. Let's see what we are going to study today. Okay? So this is one problem, rather two sections है उसमें. 4 points are given A, B, C, D. Find scalar projection of AB on CD, vector projection of AB on CD. 4 choices were given, but because space is not there, मैंने लिखे नहीं है. Now, these two were asked separately, obviously. Scalar projection of AB on CD was 2, 0, 2, 0. Vector projection of AB on CD was 2, 0, 2, 1. Okay, now let us first see the meaning of projection. Okay, this is vector AB, need not be parallel to this, some direction. Below is vector CD. Okay, so projection is like a shadow of one vector on another. If a shadow is cast of this vector AB on CD, this part is called as the projection. Okay, like a shadow. Okay, projection of AB on CD is represented by this part. It is called as projection. Followed? Now there are two types of projections. Scalar projection of AB on CD. That means it has a certain value. This shadow has a certain value. Either it is a scalar or it is a vector. So there are two types of projections. First is scalar projection, where the answer is a number. Scalar यानी क्या? Number. तो उसके लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है? AB dot CD upon magnitude of CD. Okay? How do you remember? Projection of AB on CD means upon CD means upon denominator. Again I'll repeat. Projection of AB on CD means upon CD, magnitude of CD. So the formula is AB dot CD upon magnitude of CD. Simple बात है. Supposing you have to find projection of M bar on N bar. M bar is a vector, N bar is the second vector. Projection of M bar on N bar is given as, on means upon. On का meaning upon N bar. ऊपर क्या? M dot N. But in the denominator, it is magnitude of N bar. If it was a projection of CD on AB, if you were asked projection of CD on AB, just the opposite of this. So on AB means पहले denominator लिख लो, upon AB. ऊपर क्या आएगा? CD dot AB. This stands for magnitude. So this is the main formula for scalar projection. Vector projection I'll explain when we come to that. Clear? So let us find the answers now. Let us first find for scalar projection 2020. Okay, shall we go ahead? Okay. So let us first find vector AB now. First I'll just explain. B bar minus A bar, projection vector of B minus projection vector of A. This is the standard formula. How do you do it? Just go to the points. It is like B minus A. So point B minus point A. So let's do it. 3 minus minus 2. Again I'll repeat. 3 b minus a means 3 minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 b minus a. Five minus 3 that is vector AB. Five I two minus one is one. अभी CET में you have to do it orally like I am doing now. CD D minus C, okay, D minus C. 7 minus 4 एक एक नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. 7 minus 4 minus 5 minus of minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 minus of minus किया इसको minus 1 minus 5 that is vector CD. check करो. D minus C, D minus C, 7 minus 4 3 minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 5 minus 6. So we got vectors AB and CD which are required over here. One more thing is required. Magnitude of CD. You know how to find the magnitude? 3 squared. सिर्फ नंबर्स का स्क्वायर करना है. थ्री स्क्वायर्ड इज 9 प्लस 4 root 49. Square root of 49 is 7. Magnitude is always positive. Okay, so I'll just mark what we have got. Magnitude मिल गई है. We got AB, and we got CD. Now what? स्केलर प्रोजेक्शन का फॉर्मूला है AB डॉट CD अपॉन CD. So let us find AB dot CD. Orally. Dot product of two vectors. How do you take dot product? 5 into 3. Just multiply the coefficients. 1 into minus 2. बीच में प्लस लिखते जाओ, ऑटोमेटिक साइन चेंज होएगा बाद में. प्लस 2 into minus 6. 5 into 3 dot product is always a number. 1 into minus 2, 2 into minus 6. One into minus 2 and minus. Okay. 15 minus 14. That is just 1. So our first answer, scalar projection. This one, first answer. Just substitute the values. AB dot CD is 1. Magnitude of CD this is our answer, 1 upon 7. It is just a scalar. So this is the measure of the projection. This projection is 1 by 7. There are no units. You just have to write the scalar number. Now vector projection means second. Vector projection of AB on CD, same formula multiplied by n cap along CD. Answer should be in terms of vector. इसीलिए n cap along CD means n cap is called as unit vector along CD. It is like this. N cap is somewhere over here. Small vector. I'll show it here. N cap along CD. How to find n cap? Basic formula. Unit vector कैसे find out करते? Every vector has a unit vector. Don't forget, huh? Every vector has a unit vector along its same direction. It is found out by using vector upon its magnitude. Simple. N cap along CD is vector upon its magnitude. N cap along AB will be AB upon magnitude of AB. So we already have vector CD 3i minus 2j minus 7k. We also have magnitude of CD. Everything is there. Just substitute over here and get the answer. Okay? So I will just rub this part so that we can simply write the answer. सब है यहाँ पे? Okay? AB dot CD is also there. चलो खत्म करते हैं प्रॉब्लम. Vector projection of AB on CD. AB dot CD upon CD, that is scalar projection. We already have the answer, 1 by 7. N cap along CD, unit vector along CD, अभी find out किया है. थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. 7 into 7 is 49. I'll do it here itself. 7 into 7, these are just pure numbers. 7 into 7 gives you 49. So final answer is the options, the options that were given. ये फॉर्म में दिया था आंसर. 3 upon 49. Just separate out this number. 3 upon 49i इज इट -7k और -6 के जरा चेक करो. 6/49. हाँ, it is 6. By mistake I have written. So बाद में क्या करना है, ये 49 जो है जस्ट सेपरेट आउट करो. 3/49, 2/49, 6/49. Vector CD and AB were already found when we saw these points over here. Okay, so first always find the scalar projection, multiply that by unit vector along CD. So 1/7 into this part. Followed? So these were the basic things about scalar projection and vector projection. Both were asked in 2 different exams. Right? Let us go to the next sum now. अगला sum क्या है देखते हैं. लिख के लो ये सब. Okay. Let us go to the second sum now. CET 2022. Magnitude of vector A bar √26. Magnitude of vector B bar 7. Magnitude of A cross B equal to 35. डायरेक्ट A cross B का मैग्नीट्यूड दिया है, A cross B दिया नहीं है, मैग्नीट्यूड दिया है. Find A dot B. Now remember one important formula called as Lagrange's formula. Okay, this Lagrange's formula for vectors is used only for CET. It is not used in boards. Okay, so let's see the formula. And when is this formula used? When either A dot B is asked or magnitude of A cross B is asked, it just shows the relations between A dot B and A cross B. So Lagrange's formula क्या बताता है? Relation between A dot B and A cross B. तो formula क्या है देखेंगे. Lagrange's formula. Lagrange's is there everywhere. Magnitude of A cross B bracket squared plus A dot B bracket squared equal to A squared B squared. Now when I write A squared B squared means it is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, दोनों का square. Okay, remember magnitude of A can just be written as A, magnitude of B can just be written as B. Okay, now you might think इसको ऐसा क्यों नहीं किया magnitude. Simple, because A dot B is a number itself. Okay, you don't get a vector. Okay, so because it is a number itself, there is no need for magnitude. Magnitude is a number. Okay, but A cross B is a vector. So for that, this represents its magnitude. For A dot B, just write bracket squared, because A dot B number मिलने वाला है हमको. Okay, equal to A squared B squared. This is called as Lagrange's formula. And when is this used? When we have to find the relation between A dot B, A cross B, A squared B squared. ये relation सब बताता है. It becomes very simple. Just substitute in that formula and find the answer. Now let us see the problem. We have already seen this. Okay, so using Lagrange's formula, direct substitute करूँ. Magnitude of A cross B bracket squared. इसका मैग्नीट्यूड 35 दिया है, प्लस A डॉट B पूछा है. A स्क्वायर B स्क्वायर का मीनिंग मैंने अभी बताया. A स्क्वायर मीन्स मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ A, विच इज गिवन एज √26. B स्क्वायर मीन्स मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ B उसका स्क्वायर. Come on, let's find out. 35 squared 1225. रूट ऑफ 26 का स्क्वायर 26, 7 squared is 49, if you multiply 26 into 49, करो multiply, 26 into 49 gives you 1274. Take this on the right hand side. A dot B bracket squared मिला है. So naturally I have to find the square root now. Plus minus 7. Remember, dot product can be positive or negative. So both the answers should be taken. Plus minus 7. Both the signs, plus 7 minus 7. Okay? So that's our answer. So remember this very useful CET shortcut, Lagrange's formula. और ये ब्रैकेट को जस्ट टेक राउंड ब्रैकेट्स. आई एक्सप्लेन द रीजन बिकॉज a dot b is just a number like we get over here, but this represents magnitude of vector a cross b. Followed जो दिया है magnitude of a cross b. Now a cross b might be something like 2i plus 3j plus 4k. We are not bothered about that because उसका magnitude दिया है. Try to understand these basic things. Okay, there is one more basic problem now, again from 2022 और 2020 में रहेगा, याद नहीं है. उसमें डायग्राम दिया था एंड फ्रॉम द गिवन डायग्राम फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ u क्रॉस v. ओके, फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ u क्रॉस v. सो देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला फॉर मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ u क्रॉस v. मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ u क्रॉस v इज इक्वल टू uv sin theta. Magnitude of a cross b is ab sin theta. Okay, directly substitute करो. u means magnitude of u bar, as I have explained. v means magnitude of v bar. Sin 150. Theta is 150. 150 I am writing 180 minus 30. Because I have to use allied angles. Now which formula? Allied angles का कौन सा formula है? Sin of pi minus theta is sin theta. So sin of pi minus 30 is sin 30. Sin 30 is half. The answer is just 10. Not plus minus. Plus minus आया नहीं क्योंकि स्क्वायर रूट नहीं है यहाँ पे. Okay, and one more thing, magnitude is always positive. यहाँ पे a डॉट बी मिला है, उसका मैग्नीट्यूड नहीं. a डॉट बी इज ए स्केलर विच कैन बी पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, but magnitude of a cross b is always positive and 10 was the option given. That is the answer. Okay. So these are certain basic formulae that you have to remember along with Lagrange's formula. Okay, that will be all for today. देखो वापस वीडियो, प्रैक्टिस करो. We'll come back with something tomorrow. Bye.